Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June and welcome to my amazing life today. So today, I'm just going to do a demonstration on the latest webcam that I just gotten. So basically, this webcam, I have been eyeing on this like for some time. I was just moving around because I would want to show you guys like it can actually has the AI to detect where I am and then focus on my face automatically. Yeah, so I am still like a second day playing around with it, but I just want to share with you guys like how awesome it is and how I play around with it. And if let's say you want to see what webcam that I just newly gotten and it's not Logitech, be sure to stay until to the end of the video. Alright, I want to show you guys this. This is the Obsbot that I newly purchased. It is such a tiny size. Let me just show you guys. This is the size of it. And it is magnetic field where you're able to separate the magnet here. And it also supports like portrait mode. So this is a portrait mode. And I usually record for my YouTube videos, so it's going to be like a landscape mode. And it is really tiny size. And one thing I want to say that I really love the microphone. The microphone is really awesome. And okay, so now comes to the very interesting side. So I want to show you guys this. I'm actually shooting using my iPhone 12 right now because somehow my screen recorder doesn't work while I want to film this. So I better just show it to you guys. Okay, so the image quality is pretty awesome. So, but then you probably couldn't see that because I'm shooting from my camera into the screen. And one thing I want to show you guys is this. It has the auto framing mode, so which means do you want to have this camera follow you around, like do you want to have a close-up of upper body? So I'm just going to pick upper body and I'm just going to move around. Can you guys see that the camera, the AI is actually following me around, like following me around and focusing on my upper body, like can you guys see that? I'm just moving and the cam is moving as well, zooming in and out. And I feel like for if let's say you're doing like videos, you can cut short the video editing process. You have this zoom in and zoom out without having to hire a video editor to do it for you. So of course you have like close up and upper body. So right now I'm picking close up and they are closing up, focusing on my face. Yeah, probably. This is the fun part. And just now I play something which is really fun. Okay, you can also edit the image. I'm just going to focus back to my upper body. Okay, focus back to my upper body. And you can see the image. Okay, there's so many things that you can set, like what is the focus mode and your exposure as well. You can have like a manual exposure, or like you can just select the exposure over here. Okay, so you can edit that. Anti-flickering and white balance as well. It has the auto white balance. I'm in my office, so it's like a white light. And okay, just now I just discovered something very funny. I want to show you guys. Ta-da! For female, you don't have to do makeup anymore because can you guys see that? I'm not wearing much makeups and my lips are pretty dry, but once I apply this native, you can see my chin is a little bit smaller. So 3, 2, 1. Can you guys see that? Like, this is without. They even make my chin smaller. This is without. And this is with. This is without. This is with. I feel like if I haven't used the native to kind of like, I even can apply lipstick, you see. What is the pinkish? What is the color and what's the level? Like, oh my god, that's too thick. Like, let's go for the minimum. And I absolutely adore this because female, my friends over here, you no longer need to do like makeups anymore. And I need to remind myself, like in future, if I ever see back my videos created under Obsbot, I didn't look that great. I aged well. It's just because of the AI thing. It's helping me to have this. I even can apply the blush. I even can have like a fancy, or I just prefer the original me. So just level 0 on that. So it looks more like me. Or you can have the filter. Different filter, as you guys can see, give you a different white. Yeah, I didn't know about this until like today I retested it. So it's pretty awesome and amazing. And okay, one thing I want to talk about is the microphone quality. So yesterday when usually I was doing shooting using my M audio over my So there was one time I was like shooted using the Obsbot Meet tool. I did not choose my M audio over mic, and apparently the microphone quality and the sound quality is amazing. Like, it's pretty amazing. I speak about, you know, pretty just in front of my laptop, and usually the normal webcam, when they pick up to my voice, it will be like having a lot of different noises, but then not for this Meet 2 camera. So is this a good buy so far? Yes, definitely is, because I got it like in a promo price in Malaysia, which is just awesome. But if let's say you are in the United States, you check out the Amazon, it's only retailing it at about I think it's about $130, but I just got lucky. I got it in Malaysia. I got it in about $100 plus minus, and I absolutely adore this. Okay, one thing to note though, if your laptop doesn't have enough RAM, my RAM is 16 gig RAM, you probably want to check out the system requirement, because on the first day that I was doing unboxing on this, because I think I have opened up too much of software, taking out a lot of RAMs, and I feel like that is a little bit laggy in terms of the voice and the video. But then after that, I restarted my laptop and I just connect this Obsbot Meet 2 directly, and then it got better, and then there is no laggy anymore. So that's why I felt like if let's say you're using like an old laptop, this is totally something that you need to think about. Okay, check out the system requirement, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. And if let's say you ever want to get this Obsbot 4K Meet 2, I also input my link at the button down below in the Amazon to check it out. Pick the microphone I'm using. I'm personally using the M Audio Uber mic. This is the microphone I'm using, and even though I do not use this M Audio, let me just select the Meet 2 Obsbot. Okay, right now I'm using the Meet 2 Obsbot, and the microphone is pretty awesome. I was shocked when I was test round using the Meet 2 yesterday, and I was shocked that the microphone captured my voice pretty clearly. Right now I'm still using the Meet 2, so right now I'm just going to swap it over to like my M Audio, so that you guys can compare the differences. I feel like the microphone is pretty awesome, and if you guys can see, I feel like it can record a pretty clear face of mine, which is just awesome. You can actually select up to 4K. Yeah, you can select up to 4K here, but I love to stay in 1080/30. So back to here, I'm using back my Meet 2 to shoot this, and okay, so this is the first ever video, unboxing video. Oh yeah, talking about a box, let me show you guys. It is as tiny as it is. So this is the box from Meet 2. So inside the box, you'll get a few things. So inside the box is pretty tiny. I already unboxed, so I did not manage to shoot the video. So basically, you'll get this the webcam cover. Can you guys see that? Okay. Yeah. This is when you're not using, you're just going to use that to cover your webcam, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is pretty solid. It is like magnet. And then other than that, you also get this. This is an extendable tripod mini ball head. Can you guys see that? The focus is just awesome. I did not do any adjustment, and I can put it pretty close to the cam, and it will actually auto focus. And now moving out, it will also auto focus on my face. Okay, this is, I have not get the chance to check, but yeah, I guess this is where if you want to put the Meet 2 at the tripod, this is where you're able to hook it. Okay, and then this is the bottom. All right, so this is where you're having a gimbal or you're having a tripod. Okay, I wonder whether it can, yeah, no, just a thought, like I can put it on a tripod and then just shoot myself. That's pretty awesome. And given that the Meet 2 has a really fantastic microphone gain, and the microphone voice, I think is just perfect. Okay, so basically these are the things that you're getting, and for this is just the instruction and the user manual. And of course you will get the Meet 2 itself, as well as the mount itself. Okay, this is the mount. Okay, This is the magnetic, sorry. This is the magnetic mount that I was putting the Meet 2 just now. And this is magnetic, so I actually put the Meet 2 above it. So let me place it back. Yeah. So basically, so far, first video using Meet 2. How's my experience? I don't know. Let you guys judge. So previously, a lot of my videos I shooted using my iPhone. It's my iPhone 12 Pro. iPhone 12 Pro is just awesome because if let's say you guys can see, right, when I shoot video with my iPhone 12 Pro, I can see the amazing June pretty clearly. But when I'm using webcam to shoot, right, it will actually blur it out due to the exposure. But Meet 2 is just awesome when I'm shooting like tutorial video. It's actually give a very clear of my face, which I absolutely love. Initially I was like thinking to get a Sony camera to shoot a lot of different vlogs as well as tutorial videos to act it as a webcam, but I felt like it's expensive. It's more expensive than a webcam, and the use case is not much because nowadays I don't really bring camera around, but I will bring my phone around. So if I were to shoot a lot of different videos, I wouldn't want to use another Sony camera, vlog camera to shoot because I need to settle another problem of microphone. But I felt like it makes more sense that I just directly shoot using a webcam. And I've compared so many different webcam. Initially I want to get like Logitech 4K Brio webcam, but it was quite expensive. It will be about $200 to $250. But then I stumbled across this Meet 2 and I'm so lucky. This Meet 2 I think is retail about $130 to $150 depending on which country you are from. But then in Malaysia, I was so lucky. In Malaysia, we always have a lot of different sales and promotion every month. I got this like around $100, around $100 plus minus. And I was so excited when I see like the price drop. I just didn't hesitate because I've been shopping around and I decided to get a Meet 2. So far, I've been loving my purchase so far. I only managed to do the unboxing right now after 3 weeks of gotten into it. I hope that this video helps you to make some purchase decisions. So if I have not bought like the Logitech 4K Brio webcam. I couldn't compare between the Logitech Brio as well as the Obsbot, but definitely at the price point, I feel like Obsbot wins hands down. And in terms of cuteness, because the design is pretty cute, I feel like Obsbot, it's a little bit cute to bring around, I think to show off around, and that's a plus point as well. And yeah, basically I'm happy with my purchase. So what about you? What kind of webcam that you will be getting and what webcam that you would like to compare? So let me know in the comment section down below. And not to forget that if let's say you've been loving this video and it helps you to make your purchase decision, feel free to give me some comment and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I also have a Facebook group that is called Amazing Story. You can join my Facebook group at www.amazingstory.co so that whenever I do any updates in terms of the gears that I'm using or in terms of the software that helps me personally to get more leads and more clients, I'm more than happy to share. And also if you've been loving using ChatGPT, I have this free course that is called free course for ChatGPT. You can set it up at junlo.net/ChatGPT and look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye.